Oke, kita bertemu lagi di presentasi yang keempat. Sekarang kita menjelaskan tentang enterprise communicating. Oke, next. What is enterprise communicating? Apa itu enterprise communicating? Enterprise communicating involves the use of computer in network, such as LAN and WANs or a series of internet network that encompass a variety of different operating system, protocol, and network architecture. Nah, ini contohnya yang saling berhubungan. Types of enterprise include terdiri dari retail, manufacturing, service, forest, government, interaction, transportation. Okay, next. Most traditional enterprise organized in a HR manager. Okay, next. In enterprise, users practice fall into one of four cases progress. Terdiri dari executive management, middle management, operational management, non-management employees. Enterprise information is the information gathered in the ongoing operation of an enterprise organization. Business interface, business project management, business process automation. Okay, next. Manager coordinates resources by performing for activities seperti planning, organizing, loading, controlling. Okay, next. An information system is a set of hardware, software, data, published and produced the work together to produce information. Ya, terdiri dari hardware, prosesor, people, software, dan data. Oke, kita next. Resourcing of software manages everyday interaction. Billing software help the company securely process with customer payment. Financial software help manager budget, forecast, and analysis. Oke, kita next. Home Resource Information System, biasa disebut HRIS. Manages on or more human resource information, employer relationship management system, manager communication between employees and the business. Okay, next. Computer Aided Decision (CAD). User a computer and special software to aid in targeting, driving, and racing. Computer Aided Entering CAE user computer to produce decision. Computer Aided Monitoring CAM is the use of computer to counter production equipment. Computer Integrated Manufacturing CIM user computer to internet the many different operation of the manufacturing process. Okay, next. Quality control system help an organization maintain or improve the quality of its products or service. The marketing information system service is a central repository for the text of a marketing department. Okay, next. Information system in the enterprise. Salesforce information SPE software equips driving sales with the electronic tool the need to be more productive. Ini dia gambarnya. Instrumentation system perform the following functions: profit pricing for importers control, management and track shopping of products, profit information and analysis on information in a warehouse. Customer Interaction Management (CIM), software manages the day-to-day interaction with customer. Ya, ini gambarnya sebagai berikut, bisa dilihat sendiri. Oke, next. The Information Technology IT Department makes technology decision for the interest. Terdiri dari whether to build or buy new information system when a computer of information system has entered its useful life. Web is management program collect data decision to help organization make informed decision regarding their web process. Oke, kita next. General Purpose Information System generally fall into on Office technologies. Terdiri dari Office Information System, Transaction Processing System, Management Information System, Decision Support System, Express System. Sangat lengkap sekali. Oke, kita next. But processing PS online transaction processing. Ini perbedaannya processing PS dengan online transaction. Bisa dilihat sendiri. Di sini bisa lebih cepat di prosesnya dibandingkan dengan processing PS. Nah, ini juga contohnya sebagai berikut, bisa dilihat sendiri. Ini contoh manajemen information system dan design support system. Oke, next. Oke, ini juga contohnya ada 4 prosesnya, step 1 sampai step ketiga, step keempat, bisa dilihat sendiri. Oke, next. Integrated Information System. Customer Relation Management manages information about customer interaction with customer, past, forecast, and interface. Enterprise requires planning, provides connected internet software to help manage and coordinate ongoing activities. Contact management system are information system that combines database, software, and product user. Okay, next. Some technologies user interface include terdiri dari portal, data, warehouse, electronic data internet. Kalau Express terdiri dari web service, document management system, workflow, terdiri dari virtual private network. Oke, next. Portal is a collection of link, content, and service presented on a web page that are interesting for a page-to documentation. Nah, ini contohnya gambar, bisa dilihat sendiri. Oke, next. Data warehouse is a hog database that store and manages the data recorded to analyze historical and correct transaction. Oke, kita next. IDE is a set of standards that control the transfer of business data and information among computer, but within and among enterprise. In Internet is the protein of a company's network that allows customer of supplies of a company to access part of an internet. Oke, kita next. Web service allow business to extract product and B2B interactions over the internet. Nah, ini juga contohnya ada di bawahnya, bisa dilihat sendiri. Oke, kita next. In a service organized architecture information system profit service to other information system in a well-defined manager over a network. A document management system yang biasa disebut DMS allow for stock and management of a company's document. Terdiri dari stored in a repository. Oke, next. Workflow is a definite process that indicates the specific of step instrument in completing a particular project or business process. Nah, ini adalah prosesnya, bisa dilihat sendiri. Oke, next. Virtual Private Network yang biasa disebut VPN provides mobile user, vendors, and customer with a secure connection to the company network server. Oke, kita next. Virtualization and cloud computing. Virtualization is the practice of sharing or pooling computing resources. Kalau service virtualization itu provides the capability to device a physical server located in many virtual server. Kalau stock virtualization terdiri dari provides the capability to create a single logical stock device from many digital stock device. Oke, kita next. Enterprise hardware allow legal organization to manage and store information and data using device therefore terdiri dari HAVR-UC, maximum availability, maximum efficiency, RID, duplicate data and implement duplication in different way. Network Access Stroke yang biasa NAS is a service that provides stroke to user and information system attack to the network. Okay, next, blade server pack a complete computer service on a single carded blade. Header that system unit. Ini unitnya. Bisa dilihat sendiri di gambar. The individual blades insert in a blade server casingnya atau bentuk luarnya. A thin client is a small terminal-like computer that mostly relies on a server for data stock and processing. The processing for a thin client usually is done what is server. Okay, next. A high availability system. Ini adalah sistemnya. Continuous running and progressing test for it less 99% of the time. Maintenance host swapping and redundant component. Where a component fall under component take over and the system connected to version. Okay, next. Scalability is a measure of how well computer hardware, software, or an information system can grow to meet interesting process demand. Interoperability is the ability for in information system to see information with other information system with hand in interface. Okay, next. Continuous data production process automatic. Data backup whenever data is in interface. A disaster report plan is a when plan describing the step company will take to restore computer operation in the event of disaster. Contains four major components terdiri dari emergency plan, backup plan, recovery plan, test plan. Oke, kita next. Nah, ini contohnya bisa dilihat sendiri. Summary, special committing requirement present in interface sheet organization. Various types of user within organization, layer information system, benefits of implementation and cloud computing. Requirement for interface hardware, backup producer, fragment layer organization. Oke, next. Oke, itulah tadi presentasi yang ke-14 yang menceritakan tentang enterprise computing. Oke, kita bertemu lagi nanti ke presentasi yang terakhir, presentasi yang ke-15.